No More Newbie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of the strange black box that sometimes appears around the green screen subscribe animation like on the screen right now. Now some of you have told me about this since the how to have both subscribe and commentary video, so I'm going to try and solve this for you. Now I actually had this on a lot of my videos because I just couldn't work out how to get rid of it either. So I'll take you through how to add it and what I was checking, and then we'll show you what I did in the end that managed to solve it. So I'm going ahead with adding the clip. So we just go to add track to add clip by category and imported videos, and then we find the green screen effect that we want to use, and then we add that to the position that we want it to, and then we just go to all these settings as in that video. So if you're not too sure, just go to that video. I'm just going to center this one just so we can get it nice and clear on the main screen. And then this is what I was doing all the time, was I was going to pip settings, just checking there wasn't any shadow or frame and all that, because I didn't need that for the green screen. Just keep on adding all the details and checking how I want it. So I'm pushing across and going to green screen and getting all exactly the same as in the example that I showed you, going to settings, making sure the tolerances and feathering are all correct. So I was doing all of this, and then when I came out and looked at the video, it had this black screen around it, or this black sort of frame around it, and I just couldn't work out why. I was playing about with it. So what I did, I went into all the settings and just started playing about with every single part until I managed to solve it. So the main thing that I was sure it was related to was the sort of frame and the shadowing. So I kept on going into pip settings and going to display shadow, turning that on and off, display frame, turning it on off, played about with colors, everything. None of it worked. In the end, I managed to find the solution. So when you go into your green screen animation, what you want to do is keep on going through the settings, push the triangle, push the square button, and you'll come up with this option of pan and zoom. Okay, if you look at the outside of the screen, as I zoom to the right, the screen sort of enlarges and covers the whole area, and then it starts zooming into the animation. So what you want to just do is zoom in until it's all the way to the outside, and then save it, and then you'll see that the outside screen has totally disappeared. And that is how to solve the box around the green screen animation. I hope that's helped. Please check out the videos on screen now. If you did find this useful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Thanks very much, and bye.